So every work truck at some point is going to need to work at night, and having good bright light is very important. We are a Baja exclusive only light dealer. That means all we sell is the best. One, because their housings are made out of metal, they actually use glass on the lenses, and they have a lifetime warranty, and they are the brightest light that you're going to find on the market. And I'll tell you what, for as good of a quality of light that you get, they're actually reasonably priced. These recessed lights are our Squadron Pros. So these are a 4 diode light. These give us a 180-degree view range of light, and it's going to give you a nice bright light about 100 feet out. These come in a 6-pack or an 8-pack. So the difference in our 6-pack and our 8-pack is going to be if you get it up on your front bumper. So on the bed, you will always have 2 lights on each side, 2 lights on the rear. What this gives you is extremely bright lighting up to about here. So that light is going to curve out just a little bit. If you're trying to look over your A-pillar or out your driver's side door and make sure you don't run over something that's going to give you a flap, this front bumper light is going to get that light nice down low, close to the ground, so you can make sure that you have 100% lighting all the way around your truck. Another lighting option we have is our A-pillar mounts. So these will come with a light bracket that attaches to the factory bolts on the hood. So it requires no drilling, no messing with your paint. It does not rub. You can take them off and nobody will ever know that they've been on there. And attached to them, we put the XL80s. So this is a medium-sized driving combo light from Baja Designs. What you have at the top, these open lenses are a spotlight. So this is going to give you light about half a mile down the road. These bottom ones are going to give you a little bit of a wider floodlight so that you can catch things out in the bar ditch. It'll give you light up high and down low, so if you're cresting or going up a hill, it'll be able to light that whole thing up for you. These come in pairs, so we'll install one on each side. They are adjustable up, down, and sideways, so you can point them in any direction you prefer to get that light exactly where you need it. So up front of our lighting package, we have our integrated light bar by Baja Designs that fits very nice right in front of this bodyguard front bumper. In addition to the light bar down inside the bumper, we can add some additional LP9 Pros. LP9 is going to be your driving light. If you want to see miles down the road, I'm talking 2, 3, 4, 5 miles down the road, if it's nice and straight and flat, these things are going to light you up. So you have 6 light diodes in a spotlight pattern. You have 3 down here that are in a floodlight pattern. You also have amber backlighting between the diodes and amber backlighting on the side. So when you have the truck running at night and your headlights on, these things are going to glow orange. That way you can notify drivers, makes you more present at night, and gives the truck an awesome look. For emergency lighting, we have our Echo brand Reflex XL light bar. This comes in a amber or a ambered and white pattern. If you're going to be out on the road, I would recommend the amber and white pattern. The dual color pattern just gives you more visibility down the road. It's very easy in the daytime to see one of these from a mile away. At nighttime, it's easy to see these from multiple miles. They come with multiple flash patterns. There's a small button that will hide down by your steering wheel. As you press that, it'll roll through multiple patterns. So you can have a full lit pattern. We have a strobe pattern all the way around. We have just a front or a back. We have a wig-wag going side to side, and then multiple speeds on all of those modes. This is a light bar that we only attach to headache rack, so it's not available to attach to a rooftop, but we simply have a nice space in here. What this does, it keeps it low profile enough you can still go through a car wash. Normally it doesn't interfere with parking inside of a garage unless you have a very low clearance garage, and we space it just high enough up that it does not create a whistle. Now each one of these compartments are serviceable independent of one another, so if you are in an area that has heavy moisture or heavy dust, it's very easy to take these caps off and clean inside that housing to make the thing last as long as possible. Up top right here we have our Go light. This is a remote controlled 12-volt light. It is in a spotlight format. At 500 yards it'll have about a 60-foot wide pattern, so this works well for spotlighting. If you're looking for a lost calf, you're coyote hunting in the dead of night, this thing will help you see out several hundred yards, find that piece of equipment. It has 360-degree view range and oscillates up and down about 20 degrees. So Go light has a really nice heavy-duty wireless remote. It gives us 4-way control plus a rabbit and turtle mode. If you're trying to chase down that coyote, you can click it on the rabbit mode. It's going to move really fast. When you need to hone in on maybe a lost calf, you can slow that thing down and it's not quite as sensitive. Now I have mine mounted on the back side of the headache rack towards the bed, specifically because I go through my car wash and it's low clearance. So I have 180-degree view range on this. If I do need 360, I can simply pull it off the magnetic mount, flip it upside down, and I have a full 360-degree view range. Now they do have an optional floodlight lens cover. So if you are needing light in a very wide pattern, say you're a lineman working up on a pole or you're trying to light up your shop, you simply pop this on and now you've turned the spotlight into a floodlight. On this bed, we have our upgraded DOT approved lighting. This light adds twice as many red LEDs all the way around, so you have an outside oval for your running light, turn, and brake lights. Inside we have 7 white diodes that we can use for your reverse lights. We can also use them for auxiliary bed lighting. So up here we tied the reverse lights on these to our 8 light package. So when you turn on your exterior floodlights, this is going to give you light in the bed for hooking up that gooseneck trailer. It's also going to give you light in your upper tool toolbox, so you have nice light here at night without having to add additional lights inside that toolbox. These lights will be about 4 times as bright as the factory lights that come on the pronghorn bed. The factory pronghorn bed will come with 6 red diodes. This one comes with 16, so you're almost 3 times as bright with the upgraded DOT light package.